My name is David and I got my membership with Canada Credit Fix 4 months ago. And 5 years ago I had to file bankruptcy and had tried everything to get back on my feet. No one seemed to want to extend me new credit since I was discharged. And it turns out Canada Credit Fix was able to find errors and mistakes made during the bankruptcy and got them all removed. They've not only made it possible to get new credit, but have also managed to make me feel like a human being once again. Thanks, Canada Credit Fix, so much.